Hey you guys, just want to show her to you again. I took her out of her box, and she does have a lot of sayings, and she talks a lot with her horse talking, and she moves a lot. Yeah, just wanted to show you all her sounds. And I put her some earrings from the Elsa outfit on her because I don't think those will fit my masterpiece doll, so I just put them on her. They're just clip-on earrings, and she has this little cute little necklace, and it's a green tie or green, necklace, and she's got this purple one too. Yeah, it looks like this. Oh, my phone's slipping. Hang on. All right. Anyways, her necklace looks like this. I'm going to try to show you all her sayings and what she does. She can lay down or stand up. She's jointed in her legs, but not in here, just way up there. Yeah. She clears her throat like like if you're not paying attention to her. She starts doing that, like get irritated a little bit. Just want to show you how she looks and everything. Alright? What she does. I fully turned her on for all the actions. Yeah, she has lots of actions. She's got a little cute little mouth. Little tongue. Fast tongue. Yeah. Yeah, she said, hello. Alright. She does that. That's my son.
Oh, sorry.
That's my son in the background. Yeah. Little cute mouth. Her little cute mouth. Her horn does not light up. She's a Pegasus for real. Little animated robotic horse. She does that. Oh, sorry, I messed up my phone. Oh, I guess they're right. She says a lot of things. She's just so cute. I love her. I want to get the white one that I saw before, too. Oh, and here's a surprise jewelry things. Jewels. I'll open it. See what's in it. She's still going. Oh, what the hell? I mean, what the heck? Anyways, she comes with those little jewels, and I don't know how you put those on, but maybe they go on her heart necklace. I don't know. Yeah, I think they go on her heart necklace. There's a little hole in the back. Yeah. There's another one in here. Can't seem to get it out. Hang on. There you go. There's a bunch of those little things. Sometimes she goes on by herself. She's so cute. What do you guys think of her? I like her a lot. I guess we've been through all the actions, but I'll keep pressing her to the end of this video. She's pretty cute. I love stuff like this too. Animatronic dolls and horsies for real animals and whatnot. Alright. Like I said, keep pressing her till the end of this video. She goes. Let's see if I stop playing with her. If she goes, excuse me. Something like that. There you go. She goes, Alright. My time's up. Is she going to say something else again? Alright. I guess that's all the saying she does. Bye. Like and subscribe. Comment down there what you made you another activity if the comment section's open, alright? Bye. And push the notification bell and like and sub. Peace out.